What is up, Boobie Goaters? Today I've got Emmett with me and we're gonna rake a bunch of leaves that I've been working on. I've had a pile, but the kids kind of flattened it, which is to be expected. And we're gonna rake all these leaves as close as I can get to my garden. I've got a strawberry patch that I knocked down a few weeks ago. I wanna cover it with the leaves and extra leaves. I have tons of leaves, so I'm not worried about it, like how far I'm gonna get. But with the extra leaves, we're going to cover the garden over here. And I want to turn this old pet cemetery, and I mean it's old, it's like probably 20 years old. So everything's probably, you know, gone. I'm going to turn it into a watermelon and pumpkin patch next year. That's my plan. And my first big pile's over here. I had to get some rakes because my Milwaukee blower, leaf blower, made me a huge pile. Blow everything else. All right, let's do this. Come on, Emmett, let's do this. You can say hi. I know, a sweet bike. We were riding bikes with the kids yesterday and one got left out, but that's okay. I can ride it later when we're done. Woohoo! These leaf piles are so broken down and so hard because the kids jumped on them. They're like not full like these leaves, they're just all crunched up. But that's perfect for my garden and that's what I want. I'm trying to get a better angle at this. It's just a lot, and raking is good for the heart. So we're moving a pretty impressive amount of very broken down leaves. Aren't we, Emmett? Show them how you're doing it. Since Emmett helped so well, he's going to jump into this huge pile. But before we do that, I've got to make sure the gate closes, or I'm going to have ducks, chickens out, and that's not very fun. So I'm going to move the chair so you can jump onto the chair. I'm going to try to clean it up a little bit so you don't run into anything. So he's going to do it again and again and again and again. And then when he's tired, I'll probably just put it on my garden. It's like really good stuff. Leaves are free. They come from the trees. People bag them up and they don't even use them. You can mulch your trees with leaves. And I want to mulch my fruit trees over here with leaves because they probably need it. And I also want to use my garden. Hello, Miss Nosy. Rhode Island Reds. Hi.